So hey guys, as the saying goes, the best businesses are run by spending other people's money. Well, kidding aside, today we are going to understand the difference between an overdraft facility and a term loan. And depending upon the kind of business you run, this will be very useful to you for making a calculated decision as to best manage your cash flow of the business. So let's start with overdraft. An overdraft facility or a credit line facility is very much similar to a credit card spending. You can spend as much as you want within your limit on a day-to-day basis, and OD facility is given to individual or companies who are already holding a current account with the bank. As against this, a term loan is a fixed amount given by bank to you for a fixed period with fixed regular payments. So coming to interest charged, the interest rates on OD is usually higher than on loans. The reason is the interest charged on OD facility is only on the amount borrowed, not the actual limit. So basically, if your OD limit is, let's say, 50 lakhs and you have withdrawn 10 lakh, the interest charge will be on 10 lakhs and not 50 lakhs. As against this, interest charge on loan is on the entire amount. It does not depend upon whether or not you have actually utilized the amount. Usually, credit line or an overdraft is availed for a smaller amount because of limited credit facility. As against this, a loan can be availed for a much longer period, that is around 3 to 25 years, and also the amount of the loan can be much higher than an OD facility. So if you are going for expansion purpose and your project is going to last for a longer time, loan is the way to go. OD will not serve this purpose. OD facility or credit line facility is ideal for seasonal businesses or let's say day-to-day businesses, or there's a period of time in a year when your sales are at the lowest point and you're not able to pay off your let's say electricity, rent, salary and all these day-to-day regular expenses, then OD is the way to go. But if you are looking to expand and invest in plant and machinery or any kind of capital expenditure, then loan is the way to go. So payment option for an OD or a credit line facility is well, you can pay at any time, at any day, at basically you can even pay any lump sum amount which is available with you, as long as the credit score is stable and the credit line is available. As against this, in a loan, you are required to pay EMIs, that is equated monthly installments, and not paying even a single EMI can severely affect your credit score or credit rating. So if you know a planned schedule, you know that you are going to have the requisite money to pay the EMIs, loan is the way to go. Or if you are into a business line which is very erratic, you don't know whether money will be coming in or well, it's a completely seasonal business, then OD is the way to go. Do note that the rate of interest for OD is much higher than that of loans.